Welcome back to Toy Crypto. We're about 9 days away from the Bitcoin halving and the launch of the highly anticipated Runes protocol. So I wanted to show you kind of what I'm looking at to try to get ready for it, to try to maximize potential exposure to any airdrops and try to find the best value right now, about 9 days away from the actual launch of it. As we get closer, I anticipate miner fees / gas fees on Bitcoin to continue to go up. So I'm trying to find something now that potentially could yield some return, low entry fee now and potential high reward. Again, nothing is financial advice that I'm saying. This is just what I'm looking at. And this is for anybody interested in runes and trying to get some exposure to them in a cost-effective way now before things go crazy. All right, so I'm on Magic Eden, and you can see they've added this pre-runes section here. So I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna take a look at some of the projects that are categorized under the pre-runes. So obviously Runestone, you probably know about this one, was airdropped a couple weeks ago and has absolutely gone crazy. This was airdropped to early Ordinals adopters, people that had bought Ordinals in the first few months in 2023. And this currently has a huge market cap. The floor continues to rise on this. There's currently 46 sales pending. So let's just take a look at Runestone. So you can see there's 45 buys currently pending, which is crazy. These are trading right now at about 0.08 Bitcoin, and it has been steadily rising the floor. If you don't have a Runestone and can't afford to get one of these right now, like me, I was lucky enough to get airdropped one, but I'm just gonna hold that. I can't buy another one. I wish I could. And the reason I wish I could is because I believe that there will be exposure if you hold one of these two. We already know that you're gonna be airdropped tokens from holding this, and the anticipation is that there will be multiple airdrops if you hold one of these. Not financial advice. We know there's one for sure, and potentially more. So if you can get a Runestone, it probably still is good value. But in this case, they are expensive, so we're going to look for something cheaper. Let's go back to our list of pre-runes. And a couple that I've been looking at, Tiny Vikings is very interesting. So if we click on this one, the floor on this project has continued to rise as well. From my understanding is if you own one of these, they're going to pre-etch, kind of pre-mine runes. So they're going to be doing their own token drop and basically hold one of these Tiny Vikings in your wallet, your Xverse wallet or whatever wallet you're using, and you will be etching their runes token airdrop. There's a lot of buzz about this one on X, so I definitely encourage you to check it out. The floor price is still reasonable. It has been going up. So you can see they already have quite a few followers on X. I would encourage you to jump into their Discord and learn more about it, but this one does look very interesting and still is within, a decent price range. Like I said, they will be dropping a token based on how many you've etched. Tiny Vikings, one to check out. Again, what I'm looking for are projects that I know. Basically, you're going to be getting runes tokens by holding the NFT or the Ordinal. So we know that is the case with Tiny Vikings. We know that's the case with Runestone. On Magic Eden, one thing I like to do is change this from crypto to USD when I'm looking at these, just to give me a clearer picture of how much it actually costs. So you can see, Runestone's pretty high right now. Tiny Vikings are just over $1,000. I have looked at a bunch of these other ones and they're worth looking at, but the one that I like right now is the Rune Igloos by PNGs. So if we click on this, the price right now, entry price is still low and currently 5 buys pending. But what I like about this one is that they're going to airdrop. So one of these Igloos equals 10,000 of their runes tokens. They haven't given the name of it or what it is. Maybe it's Igloos, I don't know. So if we go to their X account, you'll see this one just 9 hours ago. Thank you, Magic Eden, for listing us in the pre-rune section, and that's for the Igloos. So this is a good post here by drunken.sats. It says that one Igloo contains 10,000 runes tokens. One Igloo costs around $73. So that's pretty good value. And then if we scroll down, again, these could be worth nothing, who knows? But if you're interested in trying to find a entry into runes before the protocol drops and miner fees go even crazier than they currently are, which I anticipate, then you want to look for potentially buying an Ordinal that's going to airdrop, right? So most of them, here's their official post from April 9th on this. Runes launched and Bitcoin halving is 10 days away. So we are representing our path into the world of runes. Igloos mark a pioneering step into the realm of IRO's initial runes offerings on BTC. With Igloos, we depart from the traditional mining practices. Each Igloo is worth 10,000 of our own upcoming runes tokens. The Igloos are trading on Magic Eden, so you still have time to get yours. So this is interesting. So this is what caught my attention with this one, is that most of the projects, like Tiny Vikings and a couple other ones which look like great projects, but they're kind of pre-mining based on how long you've held the NFT or the Ordinal and other factors, other things you need to do. In this one, from my understanding, what I'm reading is saying that they're going to airdrop. So if we scroll down, you're going to airdrop it. So if you own one of these Igloos, you get airdropped 10,000 Igloos, and it says we just need to hold our Igloos, right? Yes. So to me, that's interesting and why I took a chance on purchasing one of these. Not financial advice, do your own research. I did buy one just in case. So I just wanted to show you an easy way, potentially a cheap entry cost into getting exposure to Runes tokens, right, before the craziness starts in about 9 days. And trading right now at about $75 for one of these, plus minor fees and fees right now. They're already going up. So again, the one easy way to just take a look at, get an idea of what fees are, is if you click on this, you'll see for standard right now it's 115 sats, so $40. They might go down. Who knows what's going to happen with gas or minor fees in the next week and a half. My anticipation is that fees will be much higher once Runes launches. So again, this is just a quick video to show you one project that I found today that I did purchase one just to get some more exposure to a Runes token airdrop. And again, I like this one because you don't have to really do anything in terms of pre-mining it. If this is correct, it's simply a buy, and one of these Igloos is worth 10,000 of whatever their Runes token is. Their Runes token might not do anything, it might not be worth anything, but it is kind of a low risk, potential high reward bet. I do have other content on Bitcoin Ordinals, Bitcoin stamps, SRC20 tokens, and more, so please check those out. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.